Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about a ring that's been quietly making waves for its quality, comfort, and minimalist charm. If you're on the hunt for the best stackable rings minimalist thin bands, then stay tuned, because the NOKMIT 3mm 14K gold-filled ring might just be your next favorite piece of everyday jewelry. Let's start with the design. The ring features a clean, minimalist band with a width of 3mm, striking the perfect balance between boldness and subtlety. It comes in a range of colors: gold, silver, and black, giving you options to mix, match, or stack based on your personal style. Whether you're going for a single ring look or building a layered ring stack, this piece fits seamlessly. Now, about the materials. This is a 12014K gold-filled ring, meaning 5% of its weight is actual gold. That's a step above basic plating. It gives you the warm glow of gold without the high cost, and more importantly, it's made to last. It's water-resistant, tarnish-resistant, and built with daily wear in mind. You can wash your hands, hit the gym, or even shower with it. This ring isn't going to flake or fade. Comfort is where this ring really shines. It's built with a comfort fit inner surface, so whether you're wearing it on your thumb, pinky, or stacking multiple on the same finger, it won't dig into your skin or feel heavy. It's also hypoallergenic, which is a big plus for anyone with sensitive skin. The brand claims 99% of people won't have any allergic reaction, and it won't leave that dreaded green ring on your finger. Sizing is available from size 4 to size 11. Because this ring is slightly thicker than ultra-thin stacking rings, it's recommended to size up if you're between sizes. That makes a difference in how snug it feels, especially if you're stacking it with others. And if you're planning to give it as a gift, it even comes in a gift box, so it's ready to go straight from delivery to special occasion. In terms of styling, you can wear it alone for a sleek, modern look or layer it with other textures and metals to create your own signature stack. It's versatile enough to go with casual outfits and elevated enough to complement dressier looks. Think of it as that go-to piece that bridges fashion and practicality. And finally, price. At just around $12 to $13, this ring punches well above its weight. It gives you the appearance and durability of a fine jewelry piece at a fraction of the cost. For anyone looking to build out a ring stack without breaking the bank, or even just find a reliable, stylish everyday band, this one is hard to beat. That's our take on the NOKMIT 3mm 14K gold-filled ring. Minimalist, durable, comfortable, and stackable in all the right ways. If you've been searching for the best stackable rings in a thin, refined design, this might be the one for you. If you liked this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into affordable fashion finds, and drop us a comment with your favorite stacking ring combo. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.